Welcome everybody and thanks for joining me. My name is Philippe Delorme. I'm the Executive Vice President of Energy Management at Schneider Electric. It's a pleasure to be speaking to you at today's event. So today I'm going to speak about sustainability and efficiency and what it means for the semicon industry. Given the expanding role of digital in our society, it is more important than ever before to do things in the right way. The semicon industry is gigantic and has grown driven by a cycle of rapid improvement in technology, booming demand and innovation in end-use application. There is a need to rapidly develop new, better products, and many of the challenges of the semicon industry, however, are also closely linked with the main challenge of our generation, climate change. We are the first generation to truly know about climate change and be able to combat it. And the good news is that the technology do exist currently to do this. Our mission at Schneider Electric is to be your digital partner in sustainability and efficiency to tackle our climate change challenge. So how we will do this? To fight climate change, it's a gigantic task. We need to eliminate carbon emissions. Over 80% of the carbon emissions are caused by the production and the consumption of energy. And we strongly believe that the fastest and most efficient path to a sustainable and resilient world is to bet on two things, electric and digital. Electric makes energy green. It is the most efficient energy and by far the best vector for decarbonization. And number two, digital makes energy smart. It makes the invisible visible, drives efficiency, and enables us to eliminate energy waste. At Schneider Electric, we call this Electricity 4.0, powering the new electric world. And over the last 250 years, the world has gone through 4 technology-driven revolutions, impacting the worlds of industry and electricity. You are very familiar with Industry 4.0. Now let's look at what Industry 4.0 means. Stage number 1, early 80s, marked the rise of technology with the mechanization of steam and water power. This is commonly recognized as Industry 1.0. In parallel, the electricity world has had its early pioneers, Volta, Faraday. Let's consider this as Electricity 1.0. Stage number 2. In the 20th century, the world entered the age of mass deployment with mass production in manufacturing defining Industry 2.0. And around the same time, mass electrification, electrical lighting was deployed as an industrial scale and could be considered as Electricity 2.0. Stage number 3, and we are getting closer to semicon, in the 50s, development of silicon, led by the proliferation of automation and electronics. This is Industry 3.0, and at the same time, the development of silicon also facilitated the development and the evolution of early solar panels. We call this Electricity 3.0. Now we are coming to stage 4, the 21st century, the age of digital everywhere, Industry 4.0 with smart machines and the industrial Internet of Things. And on the energy side, the new world of electricity with a convergence of digital and electrical at scale. This is giving birth to a full new electric world. At Schneider, we build this new electric world everywhere. On the demand side, we are shaping the homes, the building, the data center, the industry and the infrastructure on the future. And semicon are actually a part of these industries and actually pretty close to data center. We're going to talk about that after. And on the supply side, we shape the grid of the future. And we believe it's even more critical to be on supply and demand side because we connect the dots between the grid and the demand side. And by connecting those two facets, supply and demand, Schneider Electric connects everything everywhere. So what does it mean for you given the semicon industry unique challenges? The semicon fab of the future will need 4 things. 1, win the miniaturization battle and the race to create the 3 nanometer chips. And behind this, how to reduce complexity and the cost for design and manufacturing. Number 2, meet the exploding chip demand. The challenge here is to become agile, flexible, and manage scalability. Challenge number 3, cope with geopolitical tensions. China, US, I think you see it everywhere. And number 4, and last but not the least, we are seeing a growing attention paid to the energy equation, which is vital for the success of your fabs. This is what, in this presentation, I will focus on. And in that context, let me first highlight why the energy equation is so vital for the semicon industry. Number 1, energy represents a significant part of the OPEX. For mega fab, it's around 30% of the operating expense that comes from electricity consumption just alone. The race to develop chips less than 7 nanometers is driving a switch from DUV to EUV, and on the lithography process, for instance, and it's increasing as a result the energy consumption. Number 2, power quality and reliability is crucial. Just 30 minutes of power outage can equate to a loss of up to $40 million in a massive fab, so massive impact. Number 3, and last but not the least, there is an increasing emphasis being placed on renewable energy and sustainability. And just as an example, the world's 6 most influential semicon businesses are all committed to using 100% renewable electricity. Companies like Intel, TSMC, SK hynix, Samsung, and ST Micro are all committed to 100% renewable energy. These challenges are also found in another industry which started the journey of overcoming them roughly 20 years ago, the data center industry. And for this industry, electricity represents 20 to 40% of its OPEX, depending on the data center size, very similar to semicon. Number 2, power quality and reliability are also critical. For example, a fairly large enterprise of, say, 2 megawatt data center. Third, sustainability is a top priority for the data center industry. So for instance, the global internet giants have all made commitments towards 100% renewable electricity. Schneider has been working with these players for over 30 years. Our technology is present in 1 data center out of 2 in the world globally. So to help support these players in their transition, we worked on 2 fronts, both on the CapEx and the OPEX phase. At the CapEx stage, what we are doing is bringing more standardization, i.e. reference design, simulation at the design phase. We are deploying prefabricated solutions. And on the OPEX phase, we use digital technology to drive asset management and efficiency within the operation. So what we want to do for semicon is leveraging our experience from the data center industry to help semicon players better manage their energy equation and provide higher fab performance. And here, there are 3 pillars of our value proposition. Number 1, time to market and total cost of ownership. So here, through optimized system architecture for electrical distribution in order to reduce time to market, total cost of ownership through standardized design and prefabricated solution, active energy management to reduce the energy bill through efficiency and lower tariff. Number 2, drive power quality and reliability. So here we want to bring our extensive experience in power, like products and software solution, edge and cloud-based for single fabs and enterprise-level monitoring and control, as well as predictive analytics. We can also conduct audits and associated services to ensure asset safety, reliability, and efficiency. And number 3, sustainability, of course. So we have consulting services that we can build, execute, to help you accelerate your carbon footprint reduction. We also work with innovative business models such as energy as a service, and we can help you procure renewable energy. Now, Let me provide several customer examples to illustrate this. Number one, in China, we've worked with one of the largest IC company in the world to extend its fab production capacity. So here our power distribution experts, our Electra team, have helped optimize the system architecture with integrated medium voltage and low voltage. They have ensured scalable and seamless power system digitization between its previous fab and its extension. In a second project in the US, we've worked with one of the world leading foundry company to improve the reliability and the power quality of its power distribution network. Today, this fab is running 24/7 at 100% power availability. And last but not least, we're also helping STMicro on its sustainability journey, which has been a recent news we've made jointly with STMicro. Very proud of that. We are deploying a holistic approach to help ST implement a robust roadmap that includes improving its energy efficiency, develop on-site PV capabilities, power purchasing agreement, energy attribute certification, and carbon offsetting. There are 3 points I'd like to leave you with. Number one, today the energy dilemma is really important, but tomorrow is going to be even more critical. So watch out, and you need a plan for energy. Second point, Schneider is incredibly proud of being recognized by Corporate Knight as the world's most sustainable company. And together with our ecosystem of partners, we want to be your digital partner for sustainability and efficiency. Third point, as the most local of the global company, we are present in over 100 countries. The US is our largest market. Our second biggest market is China. We are present in all strategic geographies. And if you'd like to know more, please feel free to reach out. You will have the detail of my detail and the detail of Dalal, who works with us on the semiconductor industry. We really look forward to engage with you, to deploy this new electric world, and beyond this, to help you make your business more competitive, more efficient, and more sustainable. Thank you very much.